In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page in Big Cartel. It's a quick and straightforward process that can be done in just 5 minutes, which means you'll be able to enhance your online store's functionality in no time. Let's begin by heading over to Big Cartel's official website, designed specifically for artists and small businesses who want to showcase and sell their creations easily. Once you're on their homepage, you need to log into your account. Click on the Login button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's URL and your password. Make sure you type in the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once your credentials are in, click Login again to access your dashboard. Your dashboard is your control hub where you'll manage everything related to your store. To create your checkout page, we must first ensure that your payment settings, taxes, and shipping options are properly set up. Start by navigating to the Accounts section of your dashboard. Here, you'll configure the payment options that work best for you. It's crucial to select payment gateways that are secure and convenient for your customers to increase the chances of completing sales. Next, you need to set up your taxes. Ensuring your tax settings are accurate and compliant with local laws is essential for running a legitimate online business. Since tax regulations vary by location, take a moment to verify all the necessary tax information before proceeding. After sorting out taxes, move on to the shipping setup. You'll want to ensure that your shipping options reflect the kind of service you wish to provide, whether it's standard shipping or express delivery. Remember, clear and realistic shipping policies can greatly enhance customer satisfaction. Now that we've covered the back-end settings, the next step is to preview your shop to see how everything looks from a shopper's perspective. Head over to your store to do a quick review of the shop's appearance and functionality. Select a product from your inventory that you want to test with. Click on the product, and if you have multiple variants such as different sizes or colors, make your selection. Add it to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. This is a great way to experience the journey your customers will take. After selecting your product, proceed to checkout by clicking on the Checkout button. This action will lead you to your newly created checkout page. Here you'll see how customers will finalize their purchases, input their payment information, and complete their orders. And there you have it, your checkout page setup is complete. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless experience for your customers, which is key to growing your online business. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.